Pals! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a haul video and wala akong boses. I actually just finished filming a video. That's what you see on my my face right now, and I filmed the Daiso full face makeup tutorial / review. That should be up sometime soon. Ina muna ako. So today's haul is going to be yung mga products na napamili ko in physical stores kasi meron akong another haul na i-film after this one, and that will be my Shopee haul. So, marami na mga products na nabili ko sa Shopee. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, ito nabili ko like recently lang kasi pumunta kami sa dagat and wala akong magandang pair of slippers. I only have yung pambahay ko na slippers na super pangit na. So, pumunta kami sa, like a day before my birthday, pumunta kami sa SM sa baba lang. Kasi nandito kami sa bukid, so kapag sinasabi kong SM na malapit dito, sinasabi ko sa baba lang. So, ito, bumili ako ng slippers from Havaianas. Actually, isa to sa mga gift ni Kenneth para sa akin. This is the pair of slippers that I got. Pasensya na medyo dirty na siya kasi I used it sa beach. And ito na nga siya. Just a simple pair of Havaianas. I wear size 39 to 40 kasi I have big feet. And yung simple color lang ang pinili ko kasi timeless and it goes with everything. So, yo. Mura na lang pala yung Havaianas ngayon. Naalala ko noon nung high school pa ako, super sikat ng Havaianas dito sa Cebu. I don't know sa Manila kung super sikat din. Pero, like, nakabili ako nung ganon, yung slim, tapos parang 1,000 plus pa yun. Ngayon, 895 na lang. And nung high school ako, inipon ko talaga yung pera ko para makabili ako ng kaloka. Anyway, let's move on. Next up, napadaan kami sa Cat Days and nakita namin na merong sale. So, of course, bumili kami. So, ayan, nakikita nyo, 299 pesos na lang. Yung kanyang regular price is 999 pesos. Chic Carab Hase jacket. Ayan, ganyan siya. And ang cool nitong cellphone case na ito. Ito pala yung tsura niya. Meron siyang Cat Days na sulat dyan. And nagamit ko na to noon, pero syempre nakabili ako ng iba. And ginamit ko na yung iba. Pero ang ganda ng Cat Days na to kasi very slim lang. And medyo leather siya dito. So, non-slip siya if you have sweaty palms. And then, if you see this one right here, pwede mo siyang iangat. Like that. Para mag-serve siya as a stand for your phone. So, kung manonood ka ng mga movies or YouTube, meron kang stand. So, hindi mo na siya kailangan lagyan ng ring stand ng phone, diba? So, bongga. Nagustuhan ko siya. Tapos, super mura pa. Actually, same kami ni Kenneth. Yung kanya, bronzy, yung color. Kaya lang nasira. Bakit nasira? Paloka. Okay. Anyway, moving on. Next up, I also went to Forever 21 and I bought a couple of things. Yung first thing na nabili ko, nakita niyo na to sa isang video dun sa Get Ready With Me plus trying new makeup. Ito, yung aking cat ears na headband. Ang cute-cute. Parang same nung, actually, same talaga siya nung kay Nikki Tutorials. Kung napansin niyo yung headband ni Nikki Tutorials, ganito talaga siya. Ang cute-cute niya as in. And I believe I only purchased this for 280 pesos. Super affordable and ang ganda-ganda niya. Kasi meron akong coupon sa Forever 21 from my credit card. And meron akong 200 pesos na coupon but I ended up spending more. But yeah, 280 pesos lang. Super cute. Alright, next thing na nakita ko sa Forever 21, ito, malapit na, ito, papunta na ako sa cashier para magbayad nitong aking headband using my 200 peso coupon. Pero, may nakita akong super cute na brushes, you guys, and it is this one right here. Ang gaganda nila as in. Nakita ko to sa Shopee, tapos yung iba meron kasamang eye brushes, yung iba wala. And medyo same-same lang naman sila ng price online. This one was 505 pesos, diba? Same, medyo same lang ng price online. If meron sila yung kasamang eye brushes, yung maraming eye brushes, yun yung bibilhin ko, pero ito lang yung meron. So, ito na yung binili ko, diba? Ang cute as in. Let's take it out of the packaging. Actually, nalabhan ko na to, pero hindi ko pa sila nagamit. So, ayan na nga siya. Ang cute-cute ng mga brushes, diba? As in, see, rose gold yung kanyang ferrule, or yung, ano bang tawag dito? Ferrule, diba? Tapos, pink and white bristles. Super cute. So, meron kang powder brush na malaki, meron kang angled brush. Ito, I don't know, smaller powder brush. Parang pwede itong foundation brush, tapos blending brush, and angled eyeliner brush or brow brush. Super cute. I love it. Ito, pwede parang pang foundation, like buffing brush. Okay. So powder brush, buffing brush, blush brush, foundation, flat top, foundation brush, no, parang triangle yung para Real Techniques, foundation brush, blending brush, and angle brush. So, yeah, I think it's a really good deal for only 505 pesos. Super good deal. Tapos, yung mga brushes na to, super soft pa nila, as in, they just feel like yung mga, actually, mas soft yung Wet n Wild brushes, pero almost that soft. Like, softer than yung mga Merino brushes na nabibili din sa mall. So, instead na yun, ito na lang, bibili ko, diba? Tapos, super cute pa na itsura nila. Okay, so itong haul na ito, actually, na-accumulate ko sila in like a span of 2 months siguro. Like, yung iba dito, noong February ko pa nabili, yung iba March, walang April. Kasi, March 31 ko ito film. Okay? Matagal pa siyang ma-upload kasi I'm pre-filming kasi I might be busy. So, yun. Anyway, from different places ko silang nabili. Merong SM, merong Park Mall, merong Metro Ayala, basta. So, in random ko na lang silang tatanggalin sa plastic. Okay, alright, so moving on, napunta din ako sa Sansan kasi nakita ko meron silang sale doon. So, bumili ako. Meron silang sale, super affordable lang. 2 pieces for only 150 pesos. Tapos, matagal pa naman siya mag-e-expire. Like, 2018 pa siya mag-e-expire. So, okay na okay. Ito. Kasi diba usually nagse-sale sila kapag mag-e-expire na yung products. So, this one matagal pa ma-expire. I got an eyeliner. Ito naman is the color brown. Sansan eyeliner pen na waterproof with vitamins A, C, and E. Ito. Color brown yung pinili ko. Kasi meron akong black nito. Actually, hindi ko pa natatry yun sa aking eyes. Pero okay naman siya nung sinwatch ko siya on the back of my hand. I gave it a second shot kasi nung first time ko siyang tinry, old packaging pa yun and super dry. Like, kakabukas ko lang pero super dry. Like, walang pigment na lumalabas. So, I tried to purchase it again and okay naman siya. So, I got a brown version for my natural days. And then, para sa 2 for 150, ito yung second item. It's the Sansan Matte Finish Liquid Foundation SPF 15, Vitamins A, C, and E. I got mine in the shade Porcelain 01 kasi limited lang yung shade sa kanilang mga sale. So, ito lang yung pinakamalapit sa skin tone ko. Kasi yung iba, mas dark na. Ito siya, Porcelain 01. Definitely, this is going to be too light for me. Pero, I can see na yellow undertone siya. Wait, bakit watery yung consistency niya? I think I need to shake it up. Ayan. Creamy na yung consistency. So, kailangan pala siyang i-shake. Ganun ba talaga? Like, nakatry na ba kayo ng foundation na to? Medyo maputi nga siya. Ito yung shade niya. I swatched it on the back of my hand. Medyo maputi siya para sa akin, but wala nang ibang shade dun. Mabango siya. Mabango. Parang amoy vanilla. I like it. Gusto niyo bang gawan ko yan ng review? Tell me in the comment section below. Baka isali ko siya sa isang Chatty Get Ready With Me. Or gusto niyo bang gawan ko siya ng review na siya lang talaga yung i-review ko yung space niya. Tell me in the comment section below. And then, bumili din ako ng bagong powder kasi naubusan na ako ng powder. And this is one of my favorites, the Sansan Two-Way Cake Foundation with SPF 15 and vitamins A, C, and E. I got mine in the shade number 1. Nagamit ko na to noon and super nagustuhan ko siya, as in super naubos ko talaga siya. This is what the shade 01 looks like. Match naman ito sa skin tone ko. As I said, nagamit ko na siya noon. It's a good quality compact powder na pwede mo dalhin sa iyong bag, pang retouch. Pwede mo rin siyang gamitin on its own kasi it has a good amount of coverage. Tapos minsan, when I just have like a light to medium coverage na foundation or BB cream on, I top it off with this powder para magmukha siyang full coverage. I just use the puff that it comes with, tapos tinatap ko lang siya sa aking face to give me more coverage. Wala siyang price dito. I believe 160 something pesos yata. Very, very good deal. And last thing from Sansan is this cheek blusher in the shade Pink Blush. Yung price nito is 121 pesos. Ayan, ganyan yung itsura niya. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda. Favorite ko yung ganito ko na, feel soft, nice. Favorite ko yung ganito ko in the shade Peach Blush. Ang ganda-ganda ng shade. I don't know if you guys can see, but ang ganda-ganda ng shade. Parang nakaka-fresh lang ng bongga. Diba? Ganda. Meron pala siyang mga mini na micro pa. Meron siyang mga micro shimmer sa kanya. Parang magkakasundo kami ni San Pink Blush. Like it. Up next, nag-dinner date kami ni Kenneth and nakita ko na nagsasale yung Maybelline. 199 pesos na lang to. The regular price niya, 399 pesos. And this is one of my favorite powders ever. It's the Maybelline Dream Satin Skin 2-Way Cake with SPF 32. Yun. Namamahalan nga lang ako sa kanya, 399 pesos. Kaya nung nakita ko na may sale, bumili ako ng isa. I believe si Kenneth, kinailangan niya mag-CR. Tapos ako, I ran. Kasi kailangan ko mabili ito. Ayan, ganito yung packaging niya. Sana nga bumili ako ng dalawa. Pero, ganito yung itsura niya. Ayan! I am in the shade 01 or 01. Favorite na favorite ko to kasi same dun sa Sansan, it also has great coverage. Pwede ko siyang gamitin on its own. And kapag light to medium coverage lang yung base ko, ginagamit ko yan para maging full coverage. So, bonggang-bongga. And then, nagawi ako dun sa Intuit and nakita ko na meron silang bagong liquid lipstick. I'm planning to do a review on this one, so baka hindi ko muna siya i-open para, you know. It's called the Intuit Liquid Matte, and I got mine in the shade Lust. 379.75 siya. This is how it looks like up close. Ayan, ganyan yung kanyang packaging. Pretty cute naman yung kanyang packaging. In fairness, tignan niyo yung kanyang packaging. Medyo parang may drip din sa kanya. Parang yung sa Kylie. Char. Okay. So, ita-try natin yan sometime soon. Gagawan ko yan ng review. Comment down below kung gusto niyo yan yung mauna natin i-review. Alright, next, I got some Nichido products sa Metro Ayala. Kasi, wala lang, napunta kami doon. Oh yeah, I had dinner with my friends. So, after dinner, syempre, nagawi ako sa makeup section. And, napunta ako sa Nichido. So, ito lang, nag-purchase ako ng yung refill ng aking lash curler. 36.50 lang siya for 3 pieces. And then I also purchased their new foundation. This is the Nichido Perfect Skin Stick Foundation. I got mine in the shade Buff. Sabi dito, smooth, hydrating, oil-free, and paraben-free. Ganito yung packaging niya. And I got it for only 268 pesos. Alam nyo, actually, I thought na this was only 150 pesos. Pero siguro yung luma pa nila na foundation yun. So, yeah. I'm excited to try that. Again, comment down below kung ano yung first na gusto nyo makita sa review. And then, of course, bumili ulit ako ng Nichido na True Lash Adhesive. Yung pang eyelash loop, yun, lash adhesive na, diba? This one was only 60 pesos. Super affordable, tapos super kapit na kapit. Super kapit na kapit talaga siya. And finally, from Nichido, I got a refill. I repurchased the Nichido Final Powder in Creamy Glow kasi konti na lang talaga yung meron ako. As in, parang super konti na lang. Super konti na lang talaga, mauubos na siya. But alam nyo, in-order ko na ng Airspun, so bakit pa ako bumili nito? Anyway, 150 pesos lang naman siya. So, okay na okay lang. Next up, pumunta ako sa Watsons kasi naghahanap ako ng aloe vera gel. Kasi I've heard a lot of good things about aloe vera gel. Pero walang Nature Republic dito sa Cebu. So, I just went to Watsons and I purchased this one. Lux Organic Soothing Gel for all types of skin. 99.85% aloe vera daw siya. Paraben-free, no artificial color, and mineral oil-free. Ayan. It's made in Korea din naman, so baka it's just the same as yung Nature Republic, and it contains like 300 ml of product. I believe 180 something ko lang to nabili kasi merong sale sa Watsons nun. So, perfect timing, di ba? Ilalagay ko to sa ref para paglagay ko sa skin ko. Very maganda siya, di ba? Very soothing and moisturizing. I'm sure pag nakita ni Kenneth na nilalagay ko yan sa skin ko, magpapalagay din siya kasi so yaon siya. Right, next things are from Robinsons Department Store. Nag-away lang ako sa Robinsons Department Store. Bakit? I don't know why. And first thing I got is just like an atomizer, pang spray-spray lang. Ano ilalagay ko dito? Baka alcohol or whatever. We'll see. We'll see anong paggagamitan ko dyan. And then, okay, I'm planning to do a full face Everbelena na makeup kasi maraming nag-request sa inyo na gumawa ako nun. And wala akong pangkilay, so I purchased the EB Advanced Perfect Eyebrow Pencil. Ito nakita ko kay Miss Ann Klutz and it's only like 65 pesos. Super affordable. So, itatry ko siya. Kasi ito talaga yung kanyang die-hard na eyebrow pencil. I got it in the shade dark brown kasi ito din yata yung sinabi niyang magandang shade. So, dark brown, kahit na hindi naman dark brown ang aking hair. Next. Oh, I'm also planning to do a full face Fashion 21. Pero, I don't know about that. Tignan natin. Baka mauna yung Everbilena kasi marami pa akong kulang sa Fashion 21. Sa Everbilena, I think kumpleto na ako. Pero, bumili ako nitong eyeshadow kit from Fashion 21. Ayan siya. This one is in number 4 kasi marami ako na hear na good things about this one. And I got this for only 195 pesos. Pretty affordable. Tapos, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shades na siya. Yung shades nito, more on rosy tones. Tapos, isang matte shade. So, okay na okay, diba? 195 pesos. Tignan natin how that works, diba? Ito, matagal ko na itong hinahanap pero matagal siyang nagkaroon dito sa Cebu. I think 1 month before, nakita ko siya sa isang YouTube video ng taga Manila pero hinahanap ko siya pero wala talaga. And then 1 month after, nakita ko na siya finally rampage sa mga EB counters. Itong sponge na ito, ang dami-dami. So, I got the bigger one kasi merong small, yung pang concealer, tapos may medium, tapos itong big version. Big regular version. This one is only 200 pesos. It's called the EB Cosmetics Blend Me Sponge. Ayan siya right there. Isa lang yung kulay na available, pink. So, pink na lang din yung kinuha ko. I'm really excited to try this out kasi addict ako sa sponge ngayon. As you can see, right here, ang dami-daming sponges. So, I'm excited to try this out. Tignan natin kung talagang malambot ba talaga siya. And finally, para sa Robinsons, I purchased the Bobbi Nails Basics Matte Top Coat. Kasi nung nag-vlog ako, sabi ko pangit yung matte top coat ng Winmax or ng Daiso. Maraming nag-suggest na i-try ko daw ito. It's only 43 pesos. So, tignan natin kung talagang mas bongga ba ito. These next few things are from SM Department Store kasi it's my favorite place to buy things. Kasi ando na lahat. Alam din naman yan. Gusto ko doon mga sapatos, mga bag, mga damit, mga makeup, lahat. Okay, so nakita ko itong mga magnet and I thought they looked really cute. So I bought 3. Yung first one, ito, sabi niya, Wake Up and Live. And it's only 59.75. Ang cute-cute, diba? Super cute. Pang ilalagay ko to sa aming ref or, I don't know, pang decorate somewhere here. I don't know. But yeah, that's the first one. Ang dami doon mga magagandang sayings. And this next one says, Make Today Amazing. Ang cute-cute. Diba? Nakikita niyo ba? Sana nakikita niyo. Ayan, make today amazing. And this last one, puro green siya. It says, take your dreams seriously. That's cute, diba? Ang ganda. I'm really happy about these. I want to get more. Meron ding malalaki doon. I think 150, pero I chose these ones, yung maliliit lang muna. Okay, now let's move on. Meron pa palang mga hindi galing sa SM dito. Actually, dalawa lang naman. I still have 2 other things from Sansan. I bought their lip crayon kasi I believe nag-sale din sila nito. I think regular price 160 tapos 130 na lang yata or 120. Kaya I purchased See, alam ko na kulang. Alam ko yung pinakamili ko. I purchased 3 more shades. Meron akong isa nito, yung pink na pink. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ng shade. Ano ba yun? Ito, I have this one in the shade Dazzling Fuchsia and nagustuhan ko siya, so I purchased more. This first one is in the shade Rich Mocha. Ito yung pinaka nire-rave ng mga tao kasi ang ganda-ganda ng shade na ito. And agree ako, super ganda ng shade niya. Ayan. Very natural lang siya, diba? Perfect for everyday. And then this next one is in the shade Power Plum. Open natin siya. Rich Mocha talaga yung pinaka-excited about ako. This one is in the shade Power Plum. Ayan, super ganda ng kulay. This one right here. Then this last one is in the shade Passion Red. Wait, buksan natin. Itong mga lip crayons from Sansan, they are super pigmented, very creamy, very comfortable on the lips, and super sarap nilang i-wear sa iyong lips. Ayan, Passion Red. Very, very nice shade. Ganda! Love it! Yay! Okay, so ngayon, itong lahat from SM Department Store na talaga. I'm serious here. Okay, next, bumili ako nitong eye mask kasi hindi pa ako nakakatry ng eye mask. So, I purchased the Collagen Eye Zone Mask from the brand Pure Derm. Ito yung pinurchase ko kasi marami na siya. It already has 30 sheets. Sabi dito, enriched with collagen, vitamin E, green tea extract, and tropical fruits, provides intensive hydration and diminishes the signs of aging, and helps reduce eye puffiness. So, bonggang-bongga yan for me. Pasado ka para sa akin. Collagen Eye Zone Mask. And I purchased this for, magkano ba? Natanggal yung price. Bakit ganun? Lagay ko to sa ref, tapos kapag pagod ako, lalagay ko siya underneath my eyes. Or before ako mag-makeup, para bongga yung aking under eyes before mag-makeup. Ito, I purchased it for $89.75. And this one time, nung pumunta ko sa SM nga, pinurchase ko ito, nawagawi din ako sa Nichido. And nakita ko, meron silang 50% off for these Stardust eyeshadows. So, I purchased two. This first one is in Totally Neutral, and this other one is in Enchanted Green. Wait, tignan nyo, oh, meron pa sa price, 168 pesos yung regular, tapos 50% off. So, pinurchase ko na yung dalawa kasi very affordable lang. Yan, ganito lang yung packaging niya, very, very simple and very cute. Tapos sa likod, ganyan lang siya. And then, when you open it, ganito yung kanyang itsura. This one is in the shade Totally Neutral. Ayan, perfect for everyday. Tapos, perfect din for beginners. Ito naman yung isa in the shade Enchanted Green. Super cool, diba? Ganda. Try nga natin i-swatch para makita natin yung kanyang pigmentation. It feels very, very smooth. Pag-swatch ko sa kanya, na-erase agad yung pangalan na Nichido, yung nasa center. If you can see, erase agad yung Nichido. Okay, swatch natin siya. Sa tabi ng mga lipstick. Ooh, in fairness, okay naman yung pigmentation nila, di ba? Fairness, okay na okay. Magkano ba? 168 tapos 50% off. Roughly 70 pesos. 69 pesos. No, that's wrong. Roughly mga 80 something. Di ba? Perfect na perfect. Mga 84 pesos lang. Meron ka ng good quality na eyeshadow. Char. Okay. Next, actually ito nabili ko siya, sabi ng sales lady, kaka-stock pa lang talaga nila nito, like bagong-bago pa siya sa market, pero ngayon ko lang siya na-haul. Bakit ganon? I got the Nichido Contour and Highlight Dual Stick in the shade Deep. I got it for only 280 pesos. I'm sure nakita niyo na to sa ibang YouTubers, pero ganito yung itsura niya. Ayan. Meron siyang pang-contour dito. Ito pala. Meron siyang pang-contour on one side, tapos highlighter on the other side. Excited to try that out. Pang-cream contour. Hindi talaga ako sanay mag-cream contour. I tried it once using yung e.l.f. Contouring cream. Pero hindi talaga ako magaling mag-cream contour, so I stay away from it. Pero I wanted to try it kasi bago siya sa market. So, yun. And then, I also have this Nichido Contour Palette for sculpting and contouring. Ito naman, powder version siya. Tapos, isa lang yung shade nila. Ito lang. This one shade lang. I got this for 350 pesos. Medyo mahal for like a local brand. Pero I just thought na since you get 3 shades, it's like 100 plus lang each shade, diba? So, yun. Meron din siyang mga steps like instructions on how you can use it sa likod. So, that's perfect for beginners. Bongga! Next, bumili ako nitong Ever Original na off-white na pencil from Ever Bilena. Kung lagi kayo nagpe-Facebook, siguro nakita nyo na merong contest si Ever Bilena nung mga EB face-off ba yan? Basta yung mga makeup contest. Actually, a few months ago or last month, I don't know. Pero nakita ko, lagi silang gumagamit nito. Like, madalas sa kanila, ito yung ginagamit. And, ito siya right here. Since Ingitera nga ako, bumili din ako ng akin kasi Ingitera nga. 100 pesos lang naman siya. So, okay na okay. And then, I purchased 2 more of the creamy matte lipsticks from Maybelline. I believe 199 ko lang ito nabili. I forgot kung sale ko sila nabili or regular price. Pero regular price regular price nila 299 pesos. Pero usually nagsisale yung Maybelline, so wait for a sale. This first one is in the shade Clay Crush. And alam niyo kung bakit ako napabili nito. Kasi nakita ko yung swatch video ni nakita ko yung swatch video ni Riza Contawi, and nakita ko ang ganda nitong shade na ito sa kanya. This one in the shade Clay Crush. Ang ganda-ganda. Medyo marami na rin ako nitong Maybelline na creamy matte lipsticks. Yung original na creamy matte lipsticks. So, gusto niyo ba ng review? or no, gumawa na ako ng review. Baka gusto niyo ng swatches, tell me in the comment section below. Pero wala ako lahat ng shades talaga. And then this other one is in the shade Nude Nuance. Ito naman, siguro alam niyo kung bakit ko siya binili. Bakit? Can someone tell me? Nakikita ko to lagi kay Anak Kai kasi parang favorite niya itong Nude Nuance. So, binili ko rin siya. Ito siya right here. Yung swatch. Ganda! Ganda, ganda. Okay. Alright! Malapit na tayong matapos, you guys. Just one more small paper bag from SM Department Store. Ito naman nung napunta ako sa SMC side kasi mas maraming makeup brands doon. Kaya lang nagmamadali na kami kasi parang natapos kaming kumain mga 8:30 or 8:45. So we only had like 15 minutes to shop. So kailan ko ba ito nabili? Nabili ko to noong February 25 pa. Aloka. Okay. First thing in the bag is this one. Nakita ko meron din palang sponge See Forever. No. Nakita ko meron din palang sponge See Fashion 21. So I went ahead and purchased it. It's called the Water Drop Blender. And it's only 195 pesos. Actually, pretty much 5 pesos lang. Difference nila ng EB. So probably, baka pwede akong gumawa ng comparison video sa kanila. Okay, yun. Okay. Yun lang. Great for applying cream, liquid, and mineral makeup, as well as wet and dry powders, letting you achieve that flawless and airbrushed look. So, yes, try natin yan sometime soon. Then, alam niyo ba, super excited ako kasi sa SMC side, merong Essence, and marami silang stock doon. Actually, sa Ayala, Center Cebu, meron din namang Essence, pero wala lang. Tapos, nagtanong-tanong ako about these Essence The Velvet's eyeshadows. Sabi ng sales lady doon, these are on sale, 50% off. So, like, wow, ang swerte ko. Ngayon lang ako nakapunta dito sa SMC side. Kasi, minsan lang ako makapunta doon kasi malayo sa bahay namin. So, yun. Anyway, 50% off ang The Velvet's na eyeshadows, you guys. Like, 50% off. And it's only 149 pesos each. So, I got them for like 75 pesos. Tama ba yung aking math? I don't know. Pero sana tama. So, I got 6 shades nung Essence The Velvet's eyeshadows. Should I do swatches with them? Ito, this first one I got is in the shade Fluffy Clouds. White lang siya. Ayan. Very pigmented in fairness. Ooh, very pigmented nga siya. It's this one right here. Fluffy Clouds. Bangga! Let me erase the others that I have here. Para magkaroon tayo ng space para sa The Velvet's. Alam niyo na siguro kung saan ko narinig yung The Velvet's na maganda. Kay Madame Anne Klutz, diba? Ingitera talaga. Super smooth nila hawakan you guys, and you don't really need a lot para lumabas talaga yung pigment niya. And then this next one is in the shade Almost Peachy. Ayan. Ganito yung itsura niya inside. Sayang nga lang kasi wala silang mga testers doon sa Essence. Pero ayan yung swatch. Almost Peachy. Parang same lang siya nung nung first one, nung Fluffy Clouds pa yun. Anyway, wala nga kasi testers kasi kaya hindi ko sila ma-swatch. Anyway, okay lang. Mura lang naman. This next one is in the shade Coral Me Maybe. Ang cute ng pangalan. And ito siya. Right here, yung second one. Cute. Perfect for summer itong shade na ito. Ito, next one. Para magugustuhan ko talaga to. Ah! Ang ganda. Perfect for smoky eyes. This next one is in the shade Taupe Secret. And ito siya right here. Yung ikatlong swatch. Ganda, diba? Perfect. I'm excited to play with these. Excited. Next is this one in the shade You're the Greatest. And yung spelling ng gray, G-R-E-Y-T-E-S-T. Greatest. Tapos, ito yung swatch niya right here. Yung pang-apat. And this last one, ito na ngayon nire-rate ni Miss Anne, yung Mr. Mocha Bean. Ang ganda ng shade na ito. It's this one right here, yung last swatch sa aking kamay. Diba? Ang ganda. Kasi hindi ko makita talaga kung ano yung tinuturo ko. Ayan. Ito, Mr. Mocha Bean. Ginagamit niya to pang contour. Pero super pigmented niya. So, we'll see how that works. I'm so excited to try these out. Alam niyo, walang sign doon na nakasale yung The Velvets. Talagang tumitingin lang ako doon sa mga eyeshadow. Tapos, sabi ng sales lady, "Ma'am, 50% off pa po yan." So yun, I was so excited. Really? Bili pa ako? Kaloka. Meron akong nakalimutan i-mention. Andito lang siya sa lamesa ko. Pero, di ba sinabi ko 50% off yung mga Nichido Stardust Eyeshadow Trio? And ito, nakita ko, 50% off din daw siya. Yung Nichido Acti-Brow Tri-Tip 24-Hour Eyebrow Marker. I got mine in the shade Honey Blonde. Ito yung itsura niya. Tinry ko siya on the back of my hand and feeling ko hindi ako masyadong marunong gumamit nito. Kaya yung pinaka-light na shade yung binili ko. Originally, it's 238 pesos pero 50% off ko siya nabili. So, magkano na lang? Hindi pa alam. I don't know. 120? I don't know. Basta. Yo. Okay. Back to this one, this bag. Dalawa na lang you guys and both of them are from Essence. Ooh, this one, I'm so excited para dito. Ito, yung nire-rave palagi ni Kathleen Lights. It's the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. Isa lang daw shade nito. This is number 10, Be My Highlight. Ayan, itsura niya. I got it for 379 pesos. Wala din silang tester nito, so hindi ko siya na-swatch doon. Medyo natatakot kasi ako kasi baka medyo dark to para sa skin tone ko as a highlighter. Pero, try natin. Ooh, ayan. Parang siyang baked yung itsura niya. Hala, ang ganda. Ooh, definitely hindi to dark para sa skin tone ko. Ayan siya, oh. Yung itsura niya. Kita ba siya sa camera? Don't know kung kita siya sa camera, but it's this one right here. Sana nakikita niyo kung gaano siya kaganda. Ooh, it's so nice. Ang ganda. Excited ako para dyan. Okay. And then, the last product that I have right here, ito bago din daw to sa kanila, it's the Essence Camouflage 2-in-1 Makeup and Concealer. High coverage, no mask effect, long lasting. It contains 1 fluid ounce of product or 30 ml, and I got mine in the shade 02, yung 01 super puti sa akin. Tapos, sabi ng sales lady, ito daw yung magmamatch sa skin tone ko. This one I purchased for 399 pesos. Sana okay siya para sa akin. Sinwatch naman namin dito sa, sa ilalim dito. Wala siyang seal, you guys. Bakit ganun? Usually, merong seal yung mga foundation, pero ito wala. So, yeah. Dito namin tinest. And, okay naman yung kaniyang, tinry ko yung 01, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Tinry ko sila, and sabi ng sales lady, ito daw yung pinaka nag-match sa akin. Kasi nagmamadali na ako. Nag-match ako. Kasi nga, malapit na mag-9 and 9 p.m. magko-close na sila. Tapos, manonood na din kami ng sine ni Kenneth. Si Kenneth nandun lang. Parang, no, start na yung sine. Okay. Anyway, that is it for today's video. Yun lang naman yung mga products na napamili ko recently. Siguro I'll do another makeup haul after 2 or 3 months. I don't know. I'm actually planning to go on a no-buy after ko ma-receive yung mga in-order ko from Shopee. Pero yeah. Kasi ang dami-dami ko pang products na kailangan i-try. Na kailangan gamitin. Pero yeah. Okay. That is it for today's video, you guys. Nagbi-blink na ang aking camera, which is a sign that I should stop yapping. And I hope you stayed till the end, but anyway, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to help this plump caterpillar to become a butterfly, and also para ma-notify ka every time I upload a new video, which is every other day. And also comment down below kung meron kayong questions, suggestions, recommendations, or any comment in general. I love reading your comments and I always reply to comments. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!
Wow, chicka, wow, wow.
Pero hindi ako magaling pero hindi talaga ako kasi lagi lang and then I also purchased tapos minsan kasi it has like good kasi and it's a good quality compact brush. It's a good I actually just feel